Good morning. So, guess what's on the agenda today? Retaining wall. First time I've ever done it. This is the first episode. Buckle up, it's going to be a fun ride. That is some big boulders. It's a combination of 2-man and 3-man, so ranging anywhere from about 200 pounds to 2,000 pounds. Just got a load 14 ton, which equals about 28,000 pounds. And I'll show you where that's gonna go. About 60 linear feet. I'm going to be building the wall up about 4 feet high. And again, first time I've done this. Got an excavator here that's going to help me do the heavy lifting. Fingers crossed. But let's get to work. Boom. This is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. These rocks, they're heavy, and I've got a lot of them. Probably maxing out the capacity, lift capacity of this excavator. It's a 26G, I believe, with a forward arm capacity of over 2,000 pounds, but I think that's on flat surface, prime conditions. That's not what we got here. So here we go. Let's keep going. Common misconception, I think, when people are building retaining walls, they think they could just, boom, drop the rock there, start stacking. Not true. You got to build a nice foundation, nice flat, or like have a vision and make sure that whatever you stack on top of it will allow you to stack on top of it, and so on and so forth. I've seen some horrible retaining walls in my day, and this isn't going to be one of them. It's kind of like building blocks, building with bricks. Just got to make sure you do it nice and straight, or work with what the angles give you, but don't just pile it on there and cross your fingers. So let's add some rocks. Slow. It's the name of the game today. Check out the progress. Not bad for a day's worth of work, huh? Spent about 7 hours, give or take. That's a wrap. Day one, course one. Till next time. Boom.